I guess along with that, I should probably see, this is my shop. It's hard to see, I'm in the sun. This is my shop that we built. And when you walk up, there's gonna be like a ramp here, and it's gonna be, I'm gonna fall on my butt. It's gonna be the hotel. So there'll be a 2-story where you see these here. He's gonna build like a little porch. So there'll be a 2-story hotel, and it's gonna be purple. And when I say purple, I mean purple. This color of purple. So I love it. So there is how my shop looks right now. And then just to make this video fun, look, we've got babies. We've got lots of babies. Look at the babies. Look at all the babies. Babies. Oh, my babies. There's actually like 5 chicks over there. But what's a chicken video with no chickens? That kind of sucks. Look at my babies. They're all getting their wings or their feathers. They look so cute. I wonder if that chicken is going to be a frizzled baby. Huh. Hey, babies. I have to tell you, it's really cool. And then here's my incubator, which we had to get the doors on my shop because my temperature is dropping in the middle of the night. There's my shelves, and eventually my worms will be out here. Everything will be out here. I'll have a second brooder. That wall will go away eventually. There's a whole tool shed in the back of there that I'll end up taking over. But there we go. I am so amazed. All of this has been made since June. And it's just now, tomorrow will be the 1st of October.